Welcome back, starting right where I left off. So all my previous ones are out. Figured I'll try to shove them all in a fridge after the fact. So let's open our last guy here. Or last four, I should say. Oops. Alright. Oh, it's the honey, but not honey. Oh no, it's stupid yogurt. Oats in a jar. And another dead fish. And, ooh, another jar of milk. So, I definitely am not going to be buying more of these fridge ones. Oh, hey, we got our strawberry jello. Because I pretty much have almost everything. So, and I've had a lot of duplicates of stuff. Ooh, duplicate of Hershey's syrup. Oh, our magnet. Ooh, another loaf of bread. In a bag. So, I think I'm going to be done after these four. Strawberry Hershey's syrup. But, I mean, I have 6. Don't ask me how I've ended up with 6 fridges. Well, actually, I know how. Costco. Costco's so bad. But when it comes down to it, my hobby, still way cheaper than Jordan's. Him and his magic cards. He's also gotten into collecting Transformers now. So, don't you dare, Arlo. He's checking out my Lego stockpile. No. Yeah, you can't jump up there. You'll knock it all down. And then I'll have a big mess to clean up. Alright, we got another little ice cream. Alright. This feels like the honey, but not honey. There we go. And we got a little jug of milk. And we got, more lamb chops. And then we got Cool Whip. I think this is another pepperoni stick. Yep. Pepperoni stick. And more pizza bagels. I mean, what kid didn't love pizza bagels? Like, let's be honest. Still have them. Still like to have them kick around for a snack. Alright. Magnet. Oh. Oh, this one's different. We got a toast with an egg in the middle. And some avocado on the side. Which, bleh, but, feels like a fruit tray. I still think this fruit tray is super cute. You can open it and pull out the chunks of... Oh, I still haven't had any eggs. That's kind of a bummer. Another vanilla jello. Oh, kind of opening them in a little bit of a weird pattern. Another pizza. Starting to remind me of what my fridge used to look like in university. full of pizza. And Pizza Hut was usually my go-to. Another broccoli. Oh, that's that turmeric. Oh, there goes the cat. Turmeric. And natural choice deli ham. Please don't kill each other. Yeah. Oh, you guys. Oh, whoa, way to go, Zelda. Oh, no, he's chasing Zelda. Never mind, I thought Zelda attacked him. That would have been such a big improvement for her. The big improvement is Luna went to Zelda's defense. That's a new one. Oh, A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, where's... I know that's from a kid thing. I just can't remember which kid thing. My brain is blanking on that at the moment. Alright. So, that's one thing our fridge is missing. Eggs. I wonder if I could make eggs. Challenge. I think so. Alright, and we got another fish. 2 unicorn cakes, but no eggs. Oh, another Hershey syrup. Oh, I think we got another IHOP in here. And it's the classic pancakes. And then Eggo waffles. Alright, so that has been the adventure of my fridge escapades. And the only thing that might end up happening is reworking some of my fridges for other items. But let me put my ice cream in the fridge, and then I'll go through my little checklist. So we got pretty much all of the commons. We did not get our tater tots. We did not get our Pizza Hut wings. But we got all of that. Fridge magnets. I have the toast. We did not get the piece of pizza or the egg. I did get this bread and that checklist. Okay, so we got a decent amount of the magnets. We did not get any eggs or that chicken. Did not get the resin one that you can do. We've had all the marble pops. We did not get this tropical punch one. Missing one thing of the Panda Express. We got the one thing of ice cream, and I'm blanking on which one it was. Oh, that's... yeah. It was this one. We did not get mashed potatoes. We did not get the oven roasted turkey slices or the soft pretzels, but we did get the Jell-O. So I think overall, considering how many of these things I bought, I did a pretty good haul. And like I said, I probably won't go looking for any more of these. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.